Director of Tournament Administrator, Roel Weber. And now, let's send the starters for your very own GWCL Bond. Starting power forward, number 20, DK Ginoso. Point guard, number 1, Jared Aiken. Man on the middle, number 8, Jennifer Isuka. Fitting forward, number 30, Adriana Trapago. And fitting forward, number 27, Nicole Hapon. And here's for the WCL candidates, Coach Ron J. Outfit, Assistant Coach Kyle and Brady over here. And our team order, Red Paula Berger, President, Father Eagle, Gattiniato. Our official for this exhibition, Gurjeet J. O'Hara, and by one, Pretty Sigara, and our record is Ronaldo Sada. Exhibition being MPLG Philippines, our executive. And then, Tunay Hooper. For the WCL, you can find Gallo, Schumacher, leadership to blow your limited regional top of that in the arena. Copy on recorder, Isuga, blocked by the leader. And second is Bobby Schumacher. A good copy of the opportunity from the WCL. He didn't know the best players to the siguro ay mga varsity the first basket made by the WPS of the ESC our baby short of people. Player, people was dealing with first basket. Number 27, chance to Aiken, down 10 small off. A goal, it counts 9-7 from 3-point shot by number 20. Seryoso, may sistema na varsity player ito dito sa Alabay Operasyon. May number basket for the WPS. The favorite for me is reminded by Operasyon. Number 27, one more for Seryoso. There's that shot, but this time he gets a count to number 24. The legal season there. Obviously, for the 2 meters, of course, Mr. Seryoso. First is good by Seryoso. The second game, we have 2, and Seryoso made now 5 points for his team. Magandang simulan ng mga puntos para sa ating WCL 14. Gonzalez, nice challenge here by number 1. Jared Aiken, drop down to 5 seconds. Very short to the heel, shot over there, and gets a good look para the facer team with more. Yeah, it was a traveling violation. 5-6 for the referee, Mohar. Here now, boys from the lead. WCL, best catch on overshoot. Bottom pick number 13, Abraham Chicago. Reference move now. On the ground. By Giant. Arcade versus personal foul also. First personal foul for Lopez. Second team foul tayo. Para din sa ating WB ng Sophia. Sideline it down. That is a miss. Inbound by the WCO. Turnover by WB. Now they attack. And then it's a boy Del Rosario. Del Rosario from the right, Carabino, piso. Espacio, operación, piso. Now one back quickly down for the speed down in the field. Tingnan natin yung mga pagbawi. Dito na ating mga taga-WCL. Another miss. Attack for Teleroso. University of Mendoza, and the number 8, Isuka. Drop the number 1, extra top. And now, look at it, halftime to the rescue. That's it, by number 1, Giant Arcade. That's how it is the score. We were hoping you enjoyed this exhibition. The Buffalo Cadets head on the short clock. 5 seconds, shot clock. Behind the back. That was a shot clock violation. Substitution. Paul Carino out for David Borgio. And the Gagano pala na ito, okay? Ang ating mga taga-WB ng Sophia, dati na pamakinaan nila. Operasyon! Nagbabawi! Piso! Operasyon din po eh. Ginawa pinagsagot piso dahil sumusunod lang. Pagdating sa mga pagtusan, piso naman. Number 1, there on the shot clock here. Already got it. Nice scatter and a nice pass. So yung maganda na play niya ang backboard. The WB big short. Pass ball foul. On number 1. And number 1, I think that was the second foul for Giant Arcade. DN Sofia. Sa bawat sanig na Pilipinas, yung sa ng WB and Sofia. 3-point shots. Noted for Larkin. Way down for Nakamura Gregorio. Now to Montes. Down the leather. 3:30 already from here in the first quarter. Devil Samuel. Screen and hand by Gregorio for 3. Wow! Offensive rebound by the Baby Shark. Pina Navarro sa C1. Dito yung DWCL. Kailangan talaga buong loob makipagsama rin sa loob. Sabi ni Coach Roman Ate, isa malaking challenge yan para sa iyo mga bata. DWCL, the Baby Shark. Nice challenge by Arthur. Pero naman si Baby Shark. What a nice deal. Now number 10. Ito na ang serious naman. Ignoso. Make the basket for the DWCL. The scorer. Down to 3 for WB and Sofia. 60-30 on the baseline. Big pass off the middle. Ayan, gusto masablay. Yung mapapapiso-piso ni Operacio. It is a very deadly shooter pagdating sa mga ganong espasyo. Time remaining 2 minutes here in the first quarter. Side step 3. A call to good. He now outlet to Operacio behind the back. But that was a good play ball. Nice one point over 10 now on the call. The Pueblas cut down. Army punches for good. Ito yung hinahanap natin sa isang collegiate player. Kayo magkaroon sila ng sistema nasasabay dito sa mga veteran player ng WB and Sofia. Number 1. Gonzalez back to Del Rosario. Down left finish. Score. Timeout request. Ada dito kay Coach Roman. 1:25 on the big clock. 5 points from the WB and Sofia. This exhibition on the floor. He fell number 3. Alright, that was an only down pass. Turnover, but it is about the WB and Sofia. Now on top. The guy in the corner on top. Take a pause, but find his receiver. One control. It's a steal right over 30. Abraham Pablo and good for number 10. 2-point shots. Under 1 minute. 2017. Under Careful Field. Now an early drive by Mr. Number 9, but still get that. Good look at Ian Sevillano. The lead will count into 1. Pass down to Bornales. Free from Marksman. Bornales. Fresh on the bench. And he got the ball up 10 to pick the ball. Now for last shot, St. Russell. 5 seconds. Balls, drop, and 1. Nice finish set up against the DWCL end of the first quarter. Second quarter, and maraming salamat pa rin po sa pagtanggap here into the totality of the National Live. Dito sa ating Albayren. This is our last link for the Region 5 NBL Youth. Number 12, right by number 18, Dito na bigawan. Now the back for the WB. Nice lateral defense. Ganda maglatakal. Alam natin yung may mga practice ka. Yung mga ginagawa ensayo. Shot up down to 5 seconds. Pretty much shot, but nangingibabaw pa rin eh. Yung kumpiyansa dito ng mga veteran players ng ating WBA sa sinatingnan natin kumatang pagkatagyan ng sipag at aggressiveness dito ng ating WCL. The post find the big match up by cut down sa pagkakabang. Basketball count, foul of number 1. First team down, Madak is first personal foul. And of course, sigurado, dito sa DWCL, marami tayong mga makikita mga sistemadong gagawin because the UAAPBA, or rather NCAA champion coach, taga dito lang naman sa Albay. Ito si Coach Aldin Ayos. At syempre yung mga coaches natin dyan na motivated na yung kakayahan ni Coach Ayos i-transfer sa ating mga kabataan dito. And now for the WB and Sophia, basketball Dallas. Then you also look at that setup by the infantry Sayan. Now for the WB, the marksman. The good offensive rebound back to the little Sayan. Once again for 3. One go. Bellarmino. Bellarmino pumatak from the top. Number 3. The steal of next from the Sophia. Lead pass. 3-man on the lead of Atlas waiting. For his group by Mr. Number 2 from the parking lot. And nagkala. That was a 2-hit shot air ball. Now Carino go back for Gregorio for the WB and Sophia.
Yeah.
Bellarmino, crossover, Gregorio, take off, shot up Madak nakalusot, yes sir! Nice drive and penetration for Madak. Sabi dito na Madak, yung hit na kapatid na pinag-veterano ang aking ibabaw dito si WCL on the corner. Almost still by Carino, and that was the last touch for the Grecians turnover 9.
Yeah, yeah.
Bellarmino. That's number 1, Paulson. Carino. Libre pasahe. Pero maganda din yung challenge. Dito din number 3. Substitution, number 27, Nico Alcol, for number 19, Ian Seduliano. On the clock up. Down from the Naco Peter, Lino. Ito na naman yung sagdagan sa ilalim. Look good. Here now for the DWCL basketball. Still good off the top. Now reaching 14. Open and from the Rico. Look good. We have a foul. Foul number 3. His second personal foul para dito kay Bolas Niera. Bellarmino. To the other Rosario. Double team, Rosario to Bellarmino. Lock down, Dave. side. Almost for a nice setup, pero gumalaw lang yung pivot foot eh. Dito yung Mr. number 18, kanta na sa ating play ngayon. But now, that was a mismatching for Bornades. Nabitawan yung bola. 6 and 30 on the game clock. 30-23. Sevillano, or rather Sevillano. Sevillano, down on the left, pass on the right, back on the shot clock. Bringing up the player, lead up, pressure to an center. And Gallows bringing down a 2-point shot once again for the Sophia. 32-26, a 23. Siyempre ngayon na pinahamo dito ng ating mga rookie player, ang freshman coach. Get on the shot clock, number 27. Number 3, and 1. Little bit salty, but he got a foul goal. Number 14, the little contact in his hands. And a shooting 2 for Mr. Number 3, Blasmiela. Ayan, mga taga-Albay. Sana po kami ay inyong maantabay sa pag-ikot natin dito sa Region 5 at NBL Youth Pilipinas. I-follow po ang ating bagong page, NBL Youth Pilipinas Region 5, Roel Weber and WBN Sophia. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. At nakapag-screen pa talaga tayo for the NBL Youth Region 5. Pedro Santos, the boy, Hungary, American, put back, good for Morales. Morales, here's that also a shooter. Today, kaya na rin bumalik ng mga reverse, penetration. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Bose to a goal from 3, offers it. Here now for Carino, getting directed ball down the top with the behind step back. Pass to the back from the top, extra pass. Filipino bounce to Carino. Look at it. Substitution for Hernandez for Ontario. Up next. Number 12, Versaga, number 18, on the corner, Capman, took it, recovered by Mr. number 18, Eagle, and on the shot clock, 3, without putting another offensive rebound for the third time around, one go, another offensive rebound, offensive rebound, di pa rin nakakuha na po ng yung ating DWCL, Number 12. Sevillano get off the shot clock. 3-point shot. Another miss. Substitution. The score, we have 36 for the Sophia, 24 for the DWCL. Into double digits by the WB and Sophia. Benavino. And yes, also Anthony a Latino player. That's how it's scored. Yes. Number 2 for the issue. Takes it out of bounds. Ball back on his 3 for Camino.
Shoutout sa lahat ng viewers. Wala pala yan. Sab.
Number 77, Iba. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Alley pass. Dalawa tumalon. Miscommunication. D-Boy. Del Rosario. Switch to the other side. Pupero. Defensive rebound. Babalik sa ating WCL. The advance pass. And keeping ball alive. Save. Double the three-color back. Keeping pass to number 18. Advance pass. Rudy Kawasa. Named that three. Dino Kawakas. Nagtino na rin yung tira. Dito na natin WCL for Dino. Number 16. 10 on the shot clock in Nico. Then the Del Rosario. Ball out of bounds. Substitution. Ball down for the keeper. Number 7, Motivo. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Made a basket for 2. There goes. There is still a violation. Iba, kikira sa labas. Iba ka, Iba ng puntos. Outlet box, very short. Score 40-27. Dominant three deficit, 13 double digit pa rin. Pero mababa pa rin yan. 13 points sa kalaban na WBHSPA. Kaya kayang abulin pa ng ating DWCL yan. There's a foul for Motivo. Second team foul. 13 fouls, second personal foul. A first personal foul, attempt for 3. First to the Nuggets by number 16. Ian Arabe. Second Pedro on another miss. 2 minutes and this on the line. Now take a look at his stats for Mr. Arabe. Ian Arabe. Kahit pakita ba na sabi ni Arabe, no good impact, wala, big rebound for Alfredo. Walkets to the Rosario, to the very short slices. Pass to Montes. Contesting the heat. No good rebound of Alfredo on board. Dino for 3. That was a bad shot. Oh, big score! Good. Number 16. Pass to Giba all the way. Bam! 3. All for 3 by Giba. Broke that 3 basket. Neck. For you to the Capitol. Now Motivo. Pass to Montes. Montes, pinapalako. Yung defense sa loob. Parasyo, pagbalik espasyo. Piso, piso. Only seconds remaining. Here is now our second quarter. Bounce. The big man on the move. Wala. May konting kabalasan lang eh. Yung mga tira dito ng DWCL. But this time it happens. Basket for that goes back to DWCL. Still have a shot clock difference between the game clock here. Shot clock down to 10 seconds. With 12 seconds on the game clock. Isolation. Del Rosario, 8-point drive. Get a foul for number 30. Legal contact to the end of 2 shots. 4.9. The third duty is only goalkeeper WB. Okay, ready now for the second half of the game, starting out the third quarter. This is an exhibition game for the WBNC. The projects at the BWCL. This is about 10 seconds on the shot clock. Operational. An early foul on number 10. For the WB, Operational ay ang naman na natutulungan sa paglalakbay dito sa Albay, Espasyo, Operasyon, Piso, nandang po niya. Number 30, Erbato, missed the free by Mr. number 8, that is Jasper Escuela. Gonzalez. Screening by Overio. Di makapasok. Etong si Gonzalez. Crossover. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Bellarmino. Another spin for Carino. Bellarmino release. Miss. Offensive rebound. Espasyo. Operasyon. Piso. Piling tawag. Walang sinasayang. Maski isang siniko. Ni piso. Number 10, Yoso. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 5 down on the shot clock. Nice pass. 5 the up and under basket. These are 2 points. Please follow us. Share the point and later. As we try to community with the ball and body. And we know you. I'm finished tonight. And we know you to the Venus Region 5. Having faced 10 seconds on the shot clock. And now on Operacio, another mid basket for 2. Pinagbalang kamay by Operacio, Mr. Piso. Screen by Isuga, Dino release, miss, rebound, Bobby Gunn, Jack. Baby short for counter steal. Here now Carino to Overio. Basket count for 2. Basket by Overio. Kanan nilagay. Kumagaling yung kanan nilagay ng Overio. Seconds on the shot clock. Ike. Basket steal. To Ike. 5 down shot clock. Ike. Here now for the Sophia. Hindi ka marunong lumiyak. Operasyon. Then up on the baseline 3. Alvarez, offensive rebound. Drop pass. Number 30, wala. Number 1 trying to stay back. That is a too-late thing, man. Hey, nakasama na natin na magiging dominant. Kita na rin yung ating team ng WBSCA. Dahil nakalaban na po yung mga iba ng ibang magagaling na players. Lalo na sa dawaling namin kami i-follow at nababawi na po yung mga recent team ng WBSCA. I-follow niyo po ang ating WBSCA. Of course, our NBL Youth Pilipinas. Really Barbella, you know. May parang nanginig lang tayo eh. Kayo mga tayo mga taga-Bicol eh. Suportahan lang natin sa Venezuela weather ang basketball community namin sa buong Bicol. One time around, may ipapasok na tayo sa ABL. For this coming season. Nakapagkali ngayon. Basket now, number 13. Now number 28. And sir, our Awil Pilipinas, Sir Alan Augusto. Siya din yung una dito para ang buong people i-develop din ang ating community. Pagdating sa larangan ng basketball, dito suportahan natin yung mga tao na muna naiyangan ang basketball dito sa Bicol. Also, Coach Ayo, yung champion coach natin, taga-dito din. Inuman na natin sila, ipakita natin na yung people nakakakas sa larangan ng basketball. Yan ang mga number 1, Aki correction. Now Ignoso taking a spin and a half time. Shot battle 2. Number 8. Oh, correction, that was number 8. Substitution. Number 14, Carla Sadudo with number 24, Wings. Cabrera will go for number 1. Shots tayo para dito kay Ignoso. First and miss. 39-36. May konting tension dito sa tapunan ni Ignoso. Pero this is a big challenge na lang kung iisipin natin. Yung mga kabataan na lalo na yung NLB Pilipinas, our grassroots, and hindi yung pagkakataon. Sabi mga pinamumunahan tayo ng mga natutuna for this NLB. Yung kapagka natin that designated tayo sa puso. Yang Michael Parasho slides by Villamino. Villamino backs to O'Hare. 5-shot clock. Check for the team number 2. Ignoso drive and now to serve. Now for the top one. Parasho in the back to 1. The lead back into 20 on the bench. Number 24 drive and now.
Mamaya po, pag may dead ball, huwag tayo magsasama.
O'Hare, piso! Operasyon! Unstoppable! Ayan ang binitaw. Si Operasyon. Meron yung una na ganyan niya. Only for his first and then gagawin natin yung score na si Operasyon dito.
Ilang score na si Operasyon? Tayo ba?
O'Hare, now to Mr. Piso. 22 points for Operasyon. Down the shot clock. O'Hare, 5 seconds. Shot clock, Villamino needs to shoot 3. Again, rebound. Operasyon. Miss. Masyado malapit. Sabi na Operasyon. Gusto na mas malayo pa doon. And O'Hare, get a basket. 22 points kay Piso. And that is 14 at Empa. And both collection out of 14. Grabe yun. 10 seconds off the shot clock. Number 18. You press up into the cross. Back to count by number 24. Isolation, crossover, O'Hare, basket. 3 more shots, no good. Offensive rebound, Steve Goodall, shot number 18. Fire, no good. Offensive rebound, once again for the Falcons, the third round, all the way, by number 30. Yeah, that's Abraham Massa from Mato. The big short block. Nice defense for the Falcons. They're now being all the way to the jacket. This is 2 points. Down to 18, 2:55. There's still a lot of time here in the third. To make count that they the man with the guys sinasabi natin nandiyan yung aggressiveness, si sistema, yung kondisyon na bababa, sunod for the Falcons. Kaya pa nila makabawi dito. Operasyon. No Look here. Rebound for O'Hara. O'Hara drop pass to Mr. Piso Piso. Now O'Hara penalty the shot clock. Piso basket. 24 points. 13 after 16. Three minutes on the field. Piso. And now substitution. And this is a platoon substitution. Second personal foul. 13 back. Substitution. Pero sa kanya pa rin, yung bola, nakamanda. Pass to Daloy. Gregorio Campbell, the marksman. Pass to Manda. Fire on the shot clock. Jefferson steal. By Mr. Sevillano. Sevillano set from the three. Look at bring down Gregorio. Morales to Opracio. Opracio to Manda. And on the shot clock, Mandak to Morales. Morales take a break. Now to Del Rosario, back to Morales. Try to pull. Golden again. Rebound. Back from the Falcons. EWC block. Playing on duck. Substitution. Number 12, Jacob Basaga for number 30, Ibrahim Rabalo. Hindi na tayo nabubulan dito for this game. Nalalaw na nagkamit daw ng UBS sa player. Baka magaling na mga player na kanilang natalo. Sabi nga natin, wala ka natingala nila yung tikas kapapamakan on last week. Kaya naman yung mga malaking kaya sa kakalakis na rin dito yung WBS sa player. Substitution now on number 24, illegal contact substitution. Number 77, Keith Giba. For number 18, Jude Vito. Samantala yung ating Falcons sa DWCL, hindi man sila makalaba dito sa laban na to. We will appreciate yung kanilang sistema at yung kanilang paglalaro talagang nasa level na rin ng kanilang edad. Siyempre yung laro hindi talaga yung mga nakikinig talaga sila sa kanilang mga coaches. Sa pagdala sa natin na rin sa kanilang paglalabay. Talagang na basketball game out of the pass. Mr. Piso. Now number 1. To Morales. Now to Del Rosario, 10 seconds. Clock. 5 seconds on the shot clock fire. Look at shot clock now is off here in the third. Only 15 remaining. Number 12, pass to number 19. 10 seconds on the game clock. 5 seconds. Manda, release. And for the third quarter, the score is 69-53 in favor of WBS Sophia. Once again, mga taga.
Sa halftime interval natin, 10 minutes, as soon as possible, saka mag-extend tayo, magpapaka court side.
Having contra WB and Sofia. The Astros is crossing three.
Pero simultaneously, whistle by the referee. Ako po. Anong nangyayari? Another injury. Ako, dalawa na. Yung injury natin. Mainit lang kayo mga pare ko. Marami pa tayo pupuntahan.
For the DWCL, kailangan natin dito makita yung kanilang nag-transfer for this fourth quarter. Number 19, pass to Mr. Diva, almost here, and Nate Fisher, back three! How about that adjustment? Ito na kayo sinasabi natin. Yung kailangan titigil yung score, yung adjustment na lang ng laro, bigyan na ng magandang hirap, makakabawi niya, DWCL. Just 5 straight points here in the opening of the fourth quarter. 10 seconds on the shot for Morales. Pass to Montes. Behind the back, point on the shot clock. That was a troubling violation. Number 19. Crossover. The steal from back. Using his full speed. Pero di na habol mas mabilis yung bola. Substitution between Short. Back on the floor. Tumanda. A firm enough. And release. Steal. A double B is for the double B is here. Number 24, pero ginagawa naman dito. Ginagawa naman dito ng paraan ng ating DWCL Santos. Sabay nung sila na magandang laro. Hello! We're going to talk again at the goal sa ilalim. And ahoy, kaya after steal, back from the Santos. Ito na, ganado bumababa yung kanilang tropa. Straight ball. Now, Mr. Number 9, San Bernardo. This is the winner. On the corner, Kita. Perfect. Yes, sir. That's the count for two. By Mr. Number 12, that was Jaden Basaga. 61 to 69. Come on. That was the shot of Kevin down into a single digit. 3-point shot, Taylor Rosario. 3. That is fire extinguisher 3. Spotlight 2 with the blood. Yung ginawa doon, gano'n yung Rosario. Balik tayo din sa aking mga rookies. Aito. Passes sa Gulo. Sa Gulo, yes sir. Lalo sa Gulo, bakit? Niagis, bola babalik sa liga. Divine, Baby Short. Nicole. Substitution for Morales. Now Harvey's number 2, based on the jumper, Mr. Piso Operacio, 26 points by Operacio, tatlo minutes for that point distance. Literally got there, 26 plus 3 minutes, 60. Abang ini points na pala daw siya. 14 at 10 for that. That's 3 minutes, 10 seconds off the shot clock. Block the ball too good, rebound by Paul Trevino. Foul on number 14. Dito ito yung tinatawag na medyo may nalang sa pa. Yung mga lugis na ay ang P40s. Double duty sabay kapag-veteran na. That was the turnover substitution. Rapado will in for number 12. Jaden Barsaga. Score 74-63. And all of a sudden, a lot of time remaining here in the fourth quarter. Number 24, pass to Rapado. Rapado will fake. Rapado takes run. Kick out from the three. 3 points. Good kick out coming from the Rapado. And that was an open 3 by Siniano. The lead count into the game. However, into 7 points. 74-66. A rather 8 points, 10 seconds. Number 2, stand back. Defense pull down on the board. Here now once again for the basket. Drive. Yes, sir. Basket for 2. On the other palabas, ito ng WB and Sophia. The good man, 5 the side. Piso. 30 points. 50 connection from 2. At tatulong isla para dyan kay Mr. Operasyon. 15 out of 80. Grabe yun. Nakakataas. Pero kaya nung nakita natin dito yung ating mga tapos. Miss Jack good box off. And once again, back for the WB and Sophia. Pinagpalalaman pa rin nila yung kanilang kanabahan dito. Del Rosario, pass to Montes. Montes on the right. Montes. Referees tap the clock. Ano tawag natin dyan? And that was a foul of number 15. Substitution po kanito for Baylor dito. Eva Montes. Only for the sideline inbound yung tawag natin is on the ground led by the official Gonzalez. On the signal. 10 seconds on the shot of the Baby Shark. Ito pa yung malupit na pagpihit sa baitira ni Baby Shark. Yes, sir! Ito yung bago na kakakilala ngayon. Sa buong kapigulan, hindi na sa buong Bicol, sa buong bansa na rin. The Baby Shark block. There's a 3-point shot by number 30, Adrian Rapado. 78-71, 7 points. Lumalang na yung ating DWC Tapos na medyo bigit yung ating score. Screen. Now by Bellamino. Gusto iwan ang depensa. Shot na almost there. Or rather, shot miss by Iman Montes. Number 24, Jeco. Tape short. To Operasyo. Again. Number 5 holding foul on Eva Montes. First team foul.
Very bitter. Medyo tapos na ang worship niya.
Pass to Rapado. Rapado, switch on the right. Rapado forcing the issue. The ball goes outside of the line. We're going to go last. Rapado right to save that. We have an now securing that rebound. Signal coming for Bellamino. Bellamino pass to Del Rosario. Del Rosario on the baseline. Back from the other side. Bellamino to fight that. Reject. Is it now? Everybody ang ating pasa ang sa buwan tira. Step back, 3, good. Sayang. Ganyan ang Del Rosario. Kick out to Bellamino. Bellamino for 3. Overton. Rebound babalik dito sa ating Packers. Pass from the left. Side step. Blocking foul. Ball to number 10. Hindi tayo nagkakalit. Number 10, that was a foul. Entrance number 88 will now for Jambon Carino sa mata. Isuga ay ang Popa. Babalik yan sa ating East WCL Packers. The game has closed now. It's 5 points and the lead na para sa ating WBX Sophia. Operasyon! Mr. Piso Piso, mukhang nakakaramdam na ng pagod. Ito si Piso Piso. 15 to get shit from 2 and 5 minutes. Number 90, Sevillano. This from the top 5 and kept out one. A nice play. Elvis Green off the left. Then now look at everyone for our last 2 minutes. This activity is being brought to you by MBW Pilipinas. Ricky Parker, papanood tayo na live at MBW Pilipinas. Ricky Parker, i-follow po kami. 5 on the shot clock. Nice double team. Then Rosario from 3. Again, rebound for the DWCL. Email back on the floor. Kinakua. Sumunod na ball dito na player. Yes, it's down. Another 5. Substitution. Ivan Odessa now. Second team down for the WBX Sophia. Alright, 1 minute and 35, 75 to 78. Nagpuputos na lang. Abang yung WBX Sophia, pinagagda na laman. 20 points was the biggest lead. Before the Sophia. Now from the left, number 90 point, Kyle Embo. Then Rosario, pass to Baby Shark. Get to Operasyon. Operasyon to then Rosario. Down into 10 seconds. Then Rosario ball na wala. That's a steal for the WBX Sophia. Pero yung shot nila dito, 7 segundo na lang na natitira. 7 seconds on the shot. Operasyon open! Espacio! Operasyon! Piso! 32 points for Mr. Operasyon. Honor a minute to play here in our final quarter. Number 17, screen by Isuga. 6 points. 10 on the shot clock. Now for the W, or rather DWCL, trying first, another is Dante short, Ilutaman, Operasyon, Piso, miss, shot, above the zero. Now Mr. Reddit, Sevillano on the baseline, trying to keep the ball alive, and number 10 save the ball, trying to 3. Oh! 50 seconds remaining on the game clock. Quick 3, 1. Victory. Trying to down. Carino. Congratulations for the WB and Sophia for this exhibition game. The for the DWCL Falcon. And sa pagawin ni Coach Roland, Jeremy Alvin, and Kyle Andre Bonilla. Paul Parker natin yan. Salamat. Okay. Both teams. Ayan, maraming salamat sa magandang laban. Ako muna po tayo, both teams. Sa gitna, players. WB Sophia, mga players ng ating DWCL, mga picture muna po kayo. Group picture.